This is the FlareSyn Basic IFAK. Overall, I do actually really like it. The pouch itself, I think, is well designed. It's mostly meant to be mounted on the back of a battle belt. It's accessible by both sides by pulling a tab up, releasing that Velcro, and then pulling the pouch itself out. And of course, it has a pouch for a tourniquet. The pouch is also well designed. It just opens up and you have your pouches or your sleeves for different medical supplies, and how they stocked it is pretty good. There are a few changes I would make as if you decide to get this, or for like a critique for FlareSyn. It only comes with one chest seal. Get either another chest seal or get a package in there that has two chest seals in there, because you want at least two chest seals because of entry and exit wound. Also, when it comes to the tourniquet, it does come with a tourniquet. However, it is a cat replica. Again, this is nothing against FlareSyn in particular. However, I simply don't trust off-brand cat-type tourniquets. So I would take this tourniquet, use it as a training tourniquet because it works exactly like a cat, and replace this with an actual Gen 7 cat tourniquet if you want to use a cat tourniquet. But overall, the basic med kit comes with pretty much everything you need. Comes with gauze, compressed gauze, an NPA, a chest seal, which you should add another one to, some gloves, and some other things as well. So overall, for a more budget type med kit, I actually really like it, and I think it's a pretty decent buy for the money. The pouch itself is well designed, and it comes with a pretty good stocking of med supplies, other than the few changes that I've already mentioned.